Hi everyone, and welcome to the NECB eLibrary quick tutorial where we consider the question, where do I find company histories? Well, there are three sources that I can recommend. One are company websites, two, EBSCO Business Source Premier, and three, Business Insights Essentials. Company websites actually can be a great place to go if you're looking for the history of a company. The problem, however, is that the quality of websites, company websites, as far as providing information on the histories of their companies, really varies considerably. There are some websites, for example, for Boeing, for IBM, for Bank of America, for large corporations, and sometimes small ones. They're really very well done, and they're just an enormous amount of information. If you go to the Boeing, for example, website, you can see, you just usually have to poke around a little bit. If you go About Us, go to History, you'll see an enormous amount of information that chronicles the history of this very large and important company in U.S. history. Other websites, unfortunately, they provide substantially less information. So I would suggest if you're going to do research on the history of a company, first check out their website to see if they have information for you. If not, there are two great sources I can suggest that are at the library. One, if you want a shorter history, go to the EBSCO Business Source Premier. This is at the home page of the library. Click on that. You'll come to the opening page in EBSCO, and what you can do is click on Company Profiles, type in the name of the company that you're researching, in this case, a Bank of America. Click Browse. Click on the Market Line Report. And in the Market Line Report here for Bank of America, you'll see as you get down the table of contents, you'll see a link to history. Click on this here, and you'll get a 5 to 6 page report that is very well done, that describes the history of Bank of America. So that's a very, very quick and very concise history that will be provided on well over 1,000 companies. Another great database that I would recommend that you check, that's even better if you want even more history on a company, is to go into the Business Insights Essential database. The link to that database is not here on the home page. What you have to do is go to Databases A to Z, because we have many more databases than what is just displayed on the front page here. And then here over on the right-hand side, type in the title of the database, Business Insights, and that should be sufficient to bring it up. And just bring the bar down, click on here. At the next page, click here, and that'll bring you into the database. And what you'll see here, if you just mouse over this here, you'll see Company Histories. Click on that. And then if we enlarge this so you can see better, just let's say type in, and these histories are drawn from a publication called the International Directory of Company Histories. It's an outstanding reference work that's available at hundreds of business libraries around the United States. And in print, it runs well over 100 volumes. But online, we have the entire content of that, which is extraordinary to me. Click on the title. And these are long, rich, very well-researched histories on thousands of companies. And this is the entry for Bank of America. So this source is very good. You could look at if you were researching Bank of America, you could use the company website for information, but you could use this to complement that. This is an outstanding source for history, and you can see it's all well sourced as far as the sources used by the historian who wrote that. So that's a very short and quick introduction to how to find company histories. As I say, company websites, check those out first. EBSCO Business Source Premier for shorter histories. The Business Insights Essentials database, great for providing long and in-depth, well-researched histories on thousands of companies. Well, good luck with your research.